Welcome to my channel Greens on My Plate Cooking Recipes. Today let's see how to make vegetable sambar. This is a very tasty and quick recipe with homemade sambar powder. For this I will be pressure cooking the vegetables and dal, then tempering with some spices. So let's get started. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of tur dal. Tur dal is soaked in water for 30 minutes. Vegetables, here I have taken some carrots, tomato, brinjal, potato and French beans. Cut all these vegetables in cubes. Here you can see these are fine cubes. Now let's see how nicely this tur dal is soaked. Soak for 30 minutes. This is a very important step while we are pressure cooking. Transfer all the soaked tur dal vegetables to a pressure cooker. After transferring these chopped vegetables and tur dal, here we'll be adding the water. Add water till all the vegetables and tur dal are perfectly soaked. Do not add too much of water to pressure cook these ingredients. This makes the sambar too thin. Now add salt and mix well. Make sure to add salt before pressure cooking. This will enhance the taste of the tur dal and vegetables. Mix well and pressure cook till one whistle. Make sure the heat is low so that you can pressure cook up to one whistle. If the heat is medium or high, then you need to pressure cook for two whistles. Here I have kept the heat low and pressure cook for one whistle. Ingredients for tempering is, here I have taken 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, curry leaves, some dry ginger powder, jaggery, turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of sambar powder. Here I have taken half sliced onions and few coriander leaves for garnishing. Quarter cup of tamarind extract. So these are the ingredients that will be used for tempering the sambar powder. Take a vessel and melt 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once this ghee is melted, add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies. This is completely optional. This enhances the spice for the sambar powder. Now add the curry leaves, sliced onions. Make sure the onions are thin and sliced and saute for few seconds. Once these onions are crunchy, now it's time to add the turmeric powder, sambar powder 3 tablespoons, dry ginger powder and mix well. Here we are roasting all the dry ingredients. Now it's time to add some water so that the onions get cooked completely. After one whistle pressure cooking the tur dal and vegetables, here you can see it's perfectly cooked. Slightly using the wooden spoon or some spatula, you can mash the tur dal. Perfectly mashed tur dal you can see. Do not over mash the tur dal, the vegetables become too mashy. To check if the vegetables are perfectly cooked, here I am cutting and showing all the vegetables. See, the potatoes, brinjal are perfectly cooked and it's easy to cut. Now I am looking at the French beans. This also cuts very easily. It means the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Now let's see if the onions are perfectly cooked for the tempering. It cuts easily. And now it's time to add the cooked vegetables and the tur dal to the tempering. Mix all these ingredients together and allow it to boil. Let the heat be low. Here I am adding quarter cup of tamarind extract. Adding tamarind extract to the vegetable sambar is very important. Store-bought tamarind pulp can also be used. Now I have added 1 tablespoon of jaggery and mix well. This vegetable sambar is very simple and easy recipe. This can be used as a best combination for idli, dosa and even rice as well. Now it's time to add some hing and mix well. Once the sambar starts boiling, it's time to add some salt and mix well. Boil all the ingredients and mix well so all the spices and the flavors get mixed with the dal and vegetables. You can even add water to adjust the consistency. Now transfer it to a bowl and it's ready to serve. Our quick healthy vegetable sambar is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Few things that has to be noted to make this vegetable sambar are: soak the tur dal for 30 minutes in water. This is a very important step. Chop the vegetables in cubes. Temper using all the spices. Serve this vegetable sambar hot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.